Hey, headphone enthusiasts! Today, I want to share my experience with the Wicked Cushions replacement ear pads for Beats Solo 2 and Solo 3 wireless headphones. First things first, these pads fit like a glove, ensuring a perfect match for both comfort and style. The compatibility with Beats Solo 2 wireless, model B0534, and Solo 3 wireless, model A1796, is spot on. But remember, they won't work with Beats Solo Pro, Solo HD, or Solo 2 wired. Installation is a breeze, thanks to the step-by-step video guide and detailed instruction manual provided. The tool-free process is complemented by the industrial-grade adhesive, forming a secure, long-lasting bond that keeps the pads in place. Now, let's talk durability. Wicked Cushions didn't cut corners here. The extra stitching and heavy-duty glue on the inside of the seams ensure these pads can withstand the test of time, preventing any annoying splitting issues. What sets these replacement ear pads apart is the unique design that maximizes comfort. Crafted from extra thick memory foam, these pads won't flatten over time, providing a plush and enjoyable listening experience. Plus, the faux leather material adds a touch of luxury. And here's the game changer: enhanced sound. If your old ear cushions have seen better days, they might be negatively impacting your headphones' performance. Wicked Cushions earpads conform comfortably to your ears, blocking out external noise and dialing in the sound, so you can truly immerse yourself in the Beats. In conclusion, if you're looking to revitalize your Beats Solo 2 or Solo 3 wireless headphones, Wicked Cushions replacement ear pads are a fantastic choice. Elevate your listening experience with improved comfort, enhanced noise cancellation, and rugged durability. Your ears will thank you. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.